6 Plant-based foods for healthy blood. It is extremely important to keep your circulatory system working at its best. Your heart pumps blood to every part of your body. Blood carries oxygen from your lungs. If there is a problem with your blood, your heart, or your blood vessels, your whole body can suffer. If you don't get enough oxygen to your brain, you might not be able to think clearly. If your stomach isn't getting enough oxygen, it might be hard for you to digest the food you eat. If there is a problem with one of your blood vessels, blood could stop flowing to a part of your body. Without it, those cells could die. 1. Kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. 1 cup of chopped kale contains 33 calories and 9% of the daily value of calcium, 206% of vitamin A, 134% of vitamin C, and a whopping 684% of vitamin K. It is also a good source of minerals copper, potassium, chlorophyll, iron, manganese, and phosphorus. The iron in kale is essential for healthy blood, keeping us alert and clear-minded. But the best compound in kale for healthy blood is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is molecularly identical to our red blood cells, except for the central molecule magnesium in chlorophyll and iron in blood. When chlorophyll enters your bloodstream, it starts to act like hemoglobin, and we know that the main responsibility of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen from lungs to the cells of our body. This means increased nutrient delivery and oxygenation to our cells. There are many ways to incorporate kale into your diet. You can blend it into smoothies, soups or sauces, saute it with other vegetables in a stir-fry, massage it with a bit of olive oil and sea salt for the base of a green salad, bake it into frittatas, lasagnas or burgers and, of course, make kale chips. 2. Figs. Figs are high in natural sugars, minerals and soluble fiber. Figs are rich in minerals including potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron and copper and are a good source of antioxidant vitamins A, E and K that contribute to health and wellness. Figs are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps to control blood pressure. Since many people not only do not eat enough fruits and vegetables, but do consume high amounts of sodium as salt is frequently added to processed foods, they may be deficient in potassium. Low intake of potassium-rich foods, especially when coupled with a high intake of sodium, can lead to hypertension. Figs also contain high amount of iron, which makes them a great blood builder and useful in cases of anemia. 3. Stinging nettles. The stinging nettles are a blood purifier and thus clean eczema internally. It is the best blood purifier available and has an influence over the pancreas. Stinging nettles also assist in lowering blood sugar. Stinging nettles has anti-inflammatory properties and treats illness of the urinary tract. The best way to take nettles is by drinking 1 cup of nettle tea early in the morning before breakfast. Make a habit of purifying your blood at least twice a year by drinking this tea every day for 1 month. Stinging nettles protects against hair loss, kidney stones, allergies, hay fever, osteoarthritis, internal bleeding, uterine bleeding, nosebleeds and bowel bleeding. Stinging nettles protects against enlarged spleen, diabetes, endocrine disorders, stomach acid, diarrhea, dysentery, lung congestion, cancer and anti-aging, and it is used as a general tonic. It is a blood purifier and it is useful with wound healing. Stinging nettles is used for muscle aches and pains also. 4. Beets. Beets are high in many vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, fiber, phosphorus, iron, vitamins A, B, C, beta-carotene, beta-cyanine, folic acid. These are but a few of the many nutrients, vitamins and minerals that can be found in beets and beet greens. Beets cleanse your entire body. They are wonderful tonic for the liver, works as a purifier for the blood, and can prevent various forms of cancer. Just by drinking 1 cup of beet juice a day may help reverse your problems with anemia or other blood issues, such as high cholesterol. 5. Parsley. Parsley is rich in many vital vitamins, including vitamin C, which is a major anti-inflammatory and helps the body absorb iron, B12, K and A. This means parsley keeps your immune system strong, tones your bones and heals the nervous system. 2. It helps flush out excess fluid from the body, thus is supporting kidney function. Regular use of parsley can help control your blood pressure. The folic acid in this herb is like a tonic for your heart. Fresh chopped parsley has a spicy, peppery flavor and pairs well with potatoes, tomato-based sauces, poultry dishes, grain-based salads, seafood, Mediterranean flavors and egg dishes. 6. Spinach. Spinach is well known for its nutritional qualities and has always been regarded as a plant with remarkable abilities to restore energy, increase vitality and improve the quality of the blood. There are sound reasons why spinach would produce such results, primarily the fact that it is rich in iron. Iron plays a central role in the function of red blood cells, which help in transporting oxygen around the body, in energy production and DNA synthesis. Spinach is also an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C and folic acid, as well as being a good source of manganese, magnesium, iron and vitamin B2. Spinach is also rich in pigments like beta-carotene, lutein, xanthine, and chlorophyllin. The folate present in spinach also contributes to the reduction of hypertension and relaxes blood vessels, while maintaining proper blood flow, and it also contains high amount of chlorophyll, which is a great blood builder.